Hello and welcome back to another episode of Chris the Butcher and Friends. But hey, I'm not quite ready yet. Now you are fucking talking. Right, yesterday, me, Louise, Kieran and Connor, and went for a meal. You know, a bit of dinner. Lucy to come with us, but she's 13 and she got fucking better things to do, isn't she? You know what I mean? But, yeah, it's called Brewers Fayre. Now, it's a chain of restaurants. I don't know how far it goes in the country, but there's a few of them in the Greater Manchester area. Right? And I had what they call a New Yorker burger. Which it's a toasted sesame bun with iceberg lettuce, tomato, burger, cheese, streaky bacon, a special burger sauce, which I'm going to do. And basically they're served with chips and coleslaw, right? Simple. It was fucking awful, right? It had no taste. I can't even explain it. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to do my own Brewers Fayre New Yorker burger. So let's get down here and do the burger sauce first, because I've got to sit that for a fucking hour. Well, this burger sauce is fucking simple, right? All you need is a cup of mayonnaise. I know that's a cup. It's having a full fucking jar, but hey, we'll get that over there. Then half a cup of tomato ketchup. Woohoo! And because it's a New Yorker burger, I'm using American mustard. Apparently half a cup of this shit. Yeah. Whoop. Sounds like me this morning, that bastard. Then garlic granules. Onion granules. Oh, you bastard. Onion granules. White wine vinegar. Not too much of that bastard. And then, getting me James Bean. A bit of black pepper. I do apologise if you can hear the washing machine, but there's nothing I can do about it. Right, all that's left here now is to stir this up into the sauce. Oh, it's going fucking everywhere. And by the power of video editing, the sauce is done. Now, all I'm going to do now is cover that and bang it in the fridge for an hour. While we're waiting for that sauce to do the hour thing, whatever the fuck it needs to do, I don't know. Let's get these burgers prepped. Burger mix. Well, mince in the bowl. All I'm going to put with this now, some salt. Oh, fucking hell, a bit too much of that. Garlic granules. And black pepper. Oh, yeah. Tell you what, this James Beam is fucking awesome. And all's left doing there now is get your hands in and mix it up, yeah? Well, there the burger patties done. Now, a lot of people out there that watch these videos scrutinise shit, right? Now, they're that colour because I've used beef heart skirt and beef cheek. So when you mince that together, it does tend to look a bit dark. But hey, these will be fucking awesome. And all the last thing to do now is cook these motherfuckers. Right, time to cook these burgers, I think. Right, I've got a drop of olive oil at the bottom of there. It's been in there a while, it should be hot. Ah, mother of God. Should we try that again? Right, that oil is definitely hot. We'll do 2 burgers for one muffin, yeah? So these are going to take, what, 7 to 8 minutes, I would have thought, maybe 10 minutes. We'll check on them there. Them burgers are done. So what I'll do with them now is, I'm going to take them off the heat, put them on a little plate, put them to one side to settle a little bit. Next thing is, oh, can I do it? Oh God, I've got you. Couple of slices of smoked bacon. And some red onion. And then when this is done, we can start building the fucker. All I can say is it's a good job I don't have a fucking smoke alarm in kitchen. Woohoo! Right, are we building this monstrosity? New Yorker burger, Brewers Fayre, right? Bottom of the bun, iceberg lettuce. Yeah? Just throw it on. Nope. Let's make it look fucking right, eh? And on top of that, a slice of beef tomato. That's some rabbit food on for vegans, aren't you? Yeah? Then on top of that, I'm having a burger. And then on top of that bastard, if I can get it, slice of cheese. What next? Yeah. Another burger. Oh, stay on your twat. Stay on your twat. Right, and then fried onions. Go on. Then we're having smoky bacon. Sorry, I'll rephrase that. Streaky bacon. And then I'm going to come back in a second with that fucking special sauce. And can you see it? That's that special sauce. That's been in the fridge for about 2 hours. Oh, I might put a bit much there. That on top as well. Oh, yes. Lid on. And we're going to get down here and have a proper look at this motherfucker. And there it is in all its glory. My New Yorker burger, Brewers Fayre. With crunchy coleslaw, chips with salt and vinegar. You can't get any better than that, can you? Oh, for fuck's sake. Right, before anyone says fuck all, right? In one of them last segments, you got a glimpse of me fucking bin in the kitchen. And it's full to the fucking brim. But that's what happens when the council put you in a 3-weekly cycle. The fucking bullshit that is. I'm having to jump on my fucking bin outside at least twice a fucking day, right? Anyway, digressing with that shit. Got me still at? Yeah, that was my take on our copycat recipe, but fucking 100 times better than that bullshit I ate yesterday. Brewers Fayre New Yorker burger. Chips, coleslaw, piece of piss. Now, I know that's going to taste like fucking dog shit, but we don't care, do we? It's all about the fucking journey with our channel, isn't it? Chris the Butcher and friends. Because we're all friends, we're a family, YouTube family. Right? That's it. Done and dusted, I'm fucked, it's Sunday, I've got a full week of work to do yet. Starting tomorrow, full time, and fucking half fucking 3 alarm clock and all that shit. So balance that. Yeah. Like, comment and subscribe. It's simple. Become a member here at #TeamCTB. With all you subscribers, my YouTube family. I love you.